Look at the white folk. Look at the big fire. Wow. Big fire. Look at the sparks. Wow. See, we're in the kitchen right there. I read somewhere over here, laying down, being lazy. Ooh, look at the sparks. I hope none fall on me. He just put some gas, fire, get big. Wow.
It is hot, isn't it? That's right. You're right about that.
We're going to get this in the Bahamas. Right now the mosquitoes running. All this fire. Can't wait to go eat my food. Wow, it's getting to be a long video. I should do it for 5 minutes. Muddo, look at the sparks, boy. They just falling. Muddo. Have to know something. Oh, the human dialect. Look at those sparks flying. Look at these sparks flying. I still don't know if that's right. But anyway, a big fire. Wow. Bye folks. See you next time when I do my next video. Subscribe down there. Bye-bye. Hey, why the thing ain't closing, man? Come on. Like subscribe. Just subscribe to my video. Okay? Bye-bye. Subscribe to my video. Bye-bye. Mine ain't working. Well, subscribe to my video. Bye-bye.